and our interests are really in how to have someone perform at their very best. And as you and I've said many times before, as I often say, is performance equals skill minus interference. And what I mean by that, if you're an elite scholar, an elite athlete, elite uh, any type of work but I think in order to perform your best, you really have to block out whatever your interference is, meaning you have to be mentally prepared, you have to be mentally well, you have to be doing purposeful work, you have to be happy and satisfied, you have to be in healthy relationships. Because if you're not showing compassion towards yourself, it's very difficult to perform at that high level.